everyone's having a great day. I got some good news. We just got in the Yumi watermelons. I don't know if they're yummy or Yumi. They're Y-U-M-I. So I'm going to show you what I'm eating today, and I'm very excited because these are the first ones of the year. I was just out of town, and a friend of mine had texted me showing me a picture of them at the grocery store. They usually come in around late May. And he said they were pretty good, and they typically get better throughout the season, so I'm really looking forward to it. But they're these dark watermelons, or they're organic, and they usually have like a little spot right here somewhere, but I'm really excited to dig into these and try them out for the first time this year. So if you can find these where you live, they come, I think these are grown in the Northwest. I live in Oregon, and I think they're grown in Washington. Oh, this looks pretty good. This one looks like a pretty good one. So we'll see how it is. I recommend trying to find these if you can find them. So right now it's 1 p.m. and I'm having, this will be my first meal of the day. I'm gonna have a huge bowl of this watermelon. Today was a cardio day. So today today's Tuesday. So I ended up doing a run. I did a 3-mile run down near the river. And I did that at 11 a.m., got cleaned up, got back to work, and now I'm just gonna cut this watermelon real quick. And let me try a piece. Yeah. It's good. I would give it about an 8 out of 10. It's really good. It's definitely not the best. It does get better, but it's still very good, definitely worth eating. These aren't cheap. There's like $9. Really good. About $9 right now per watermelon. They kind of vary in price depending on where you go. But if you live in the Pacific Northwest, you should be able to find these. So I'm gonna cut up this watermelon, probably eat at least half of it, if not more. And then I'll be back a little later today with the next meal that I'll be having. Then next up at 3 p.m., I had a second bowl of watermelon. This was about half the size of my first bowl, so not as much. Then after that, at 5 p.m., I made a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, and avocado. It was a pretty big salad. Then dinner at 7 p.m., I had a banana, some prunes. I had this quinoa salad. It had corn, black beans, quinoa, some herbs and spices in it. And then I had these potato cakes. The main ingredient was potatoes, and I had some of this apple chutney on top. So that was it. And then just after that, I had some dark chocolate chips for dessert. So that was it for the day. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have in the description box. I have some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.